what's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest and I'm here yet again with another brilliant gadget, and you guessed it right, another SolarCam that we've got. This is from aosu, and thanks to Team aosu for sponsoring this video yet again and sending out this review unit. This bad boy is the SolarCam D1 CLASSIC. It's the most popular SolarCams currently being sold in the market, and aosu have kindly sent it to us because this is very popular and people definitely would want to know more about this specific item. It's currently costing in the UK market 46 quid, just about 46 quid. And this is one of the most cheapest solar cams with panoramic and solar panel fitted on top of it. In terms of the camera specifications, it's a little bit of a step down from what we've previously reviewed. We've reviewed 4Ks and 3Ks. This is a 2K. But it's 1080p, right? It's full HD resolution. It gives pan, tilt, and all that kind of rotation. It can do motion tracking. It's IP66 waterproof, as well as it also tracks humans. It also works perfectly fine with your smart home routine. This box is seal packed and we're going to be taking it apart. Before that, let's have a look at the box itself. Here's the camera. The solar panel is embedded on top. It's attached on top, so you don't really necessarily have to get the solar installation done separately, which is kind of the highlighting factor. You just install this camera and you're done. Behind this box, there's support information, manufacturing information as standard, no specification mentioned around the box. And here's the aosu logo, as you can see. So let's open this bad boy up and see what we've got inside. Stay with us till the end. As usual, we've got a brilliant discount for you guys. Towards the end of this video, we'll give you a massive discount from aosu. It's all sponsored and exclusively available at MyNextBest. So stay till the end and let's unbox. Alright, this is pretty much how the parcel came to us in this brown box, as you can see, nice and flush in there. And just a reminder, this is the SolarCam D1 CLASSIC by aosu. So in the box, as you can see, we've got this mounting wedge, this Type-C cable, the screw holes, and the camera itself with the solar panel embedded or installed, pre-installed as a single unit. And there's this sticker for drilling screw holes, this Type-C cable. This is the back bracket, or the wedge if you like. Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and they will all be exclusive discounts through MyNextBest. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we are stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue. Pretty simple and straightforward installation, as you can tell. There are fixings, and if you impress on the back bracket, it gets attached to the back side, and you can obviously pull it back out, and it's got those fixings that attach really nice and hard. It doesn't sort of come off easily. So it's kind of that one point attachment with the back bracket. So the back bracket needs to be secured with screws and stuff, and this just attaches itself. Now this specific unit boasts a 1080p 2K solar wireless camera resolution. It's got the panoramic PTZ, pan, tilt, zoom, human auto tracking, full color night vision, spotlight and siren, two-way audio as we mentioned, IP66 waterproof as well, and it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. So it's feature packed and very reasonably priced as well. The top bit is freeform, can rotate, does the pan tilt thing for you. And at the back side, as you can see, there's the Type-C port that connects to the main power supply, which is kind of optional because you've got obviously the solar panel, which is attached at the top and gets you constant power supply. The condition being it should be outside, getting all the constant supply of sun. All right, let's peel off the cover from the camera in the front. And there's also the motion sensor, which has a little bit of a cover, the blue cover. The top gasket type covering houses the SD card slot, the reset button and the power button. And at the back side, you've got this mesh that houses ventilation as well as speaker support. So it does obviously support two-way communication. Let's just quickly get on with the setup, and there's quite a few steps involved. The QR code that at first needs to be scanned, and then there's really very simple set of steps like connecting to your Wi-Fi and stuff. If you've got existing aosu devices, then it's a lot easier because it just recognizes your existing password and stuff and just copies over. All you need to do is just select the right Wi-Fi connection and it all does work. Very simple and straightforward. And as you can see, we've all set things up, and there's quite a few toggles and screens and options to turn on the LED light, for example. You can do it to wake communication and off the like. One thing you should know about this camera is that you can have like a combination of 4 cameras together. And on the app, one single screen can monitor 4 cameras all together in live. So this is kind of one classic example of how this camera can sort of work in live with 4 cameras all in operation. We haven't had 4 cameras, but it's kind of a feature that you should be aware of, so to speak. The picture clarity has been really nice and flush, very good. There is obviously a difference when it comes to 4K versus 2K, 3K. 2K is not as clear and crisp, and the images are not as sharp. They can be a bit dull. But it does the job, right? So all you need to do is find the right spot for your installation and just get this specific camera installed and you're done. Let's quickly get on with the installation. Very simple. You need to sort of find the right spot for the back bracket and make the screw holes. Get the wall fixings in if needed, and then just simply attach the camera to the wall unit or the back bracket and you're done. Really, as simple as that. It just took me about 5-ish minutes to install. It was all running and operational. All it needs is a bit of sun or even a bit of brightness, because solar panels do not necessarily need the sun all the time, especially these cameras, because these cameras have very small battery to charge, and if the place is not indoors, it would work. Alright, time for some good news. We've been partnering with aosu team, and we've got you an awesome discount that can be availed via MyNextBest only. Go to the website www.aosulife.com, choose all that you need, put them in your cart, and all you need to do is put the discount code MyNextBest at the bottom before checkout in the discount section, and you get a flat 15% off your purchase price. You can buy anything and everything from aosu and you get flat 15% off. Hopefully that will help you buy what you need to secure your homes, your property, and your asset. If you've got any questions or queries, as usual, please reach out to us and we're more than happy to help. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to MyNextBest. Take care, cheers, and see you in the next one. Bye.